So after releasing the Cyber X series, Hotwav is gearing up to release the Cyber 13 Pro. According to the company, the device is going to be released on the 21st of August. This device is expected to be the successor of the Cyber X series, which consists of the Cyber X and the Cyber X Pro. Now this device packs impressive specifications. I don't really know if it's better than the Cyber X series for now, because majority of the details of this phone are not reviewed yet. And one thing I noticed about this phone when I checked some of the specs that are leaked is that the phone will be powered by the Unisoc T619. I checked online for the T619 and I realized that the T619 isn't out yet. I don't know, I might be wrong, but I just couldn't get details about this new processor. Well, I think it's going to be a new processor that's expected to be launched with this smartphone and some other budget phones in the future. Anyway, these are some of the top specifications of the Cyber 13 Pro. So as you guys can see, this device packs decent specs. The processor is what I do not really know much about, but I don't really know if the processor is on par with the Helio G99. I highly doubt though. The G99 is one of the best 4G processors, and it's super fast, very efficient, and it's built on a much more modern architecture. The T619 would not be on par with the Helio G99, I'm only speculating. Anyway, I'll be comparing this device, the Cyber 13 Pro, with the Cyber X and the Cyber X Pro to see which of these rugged phones packs the best specs. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming smartphone from Hotwav, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.